Oh, we have a big debate tonight. Gaurav Bhatia, he was not there yesterday, but he's come tonight. I'm glad to see you. You know, the Samajwadi Party has been a bit absent from our programs of late. Mr. Bhatia, thank you very much for joining us.
No.
Anant Gadkil is making an appearance, a Congress spokesperson. Thank you very much. And there is the Kavita Krishnan, leader of the CPIML, well-known activist. Kavita, good evening. We have with us also Dr. N. Hanumantappa, senior Congress leader. And we have Mahesh Bhatt, filmmaker. Dilip Tahil, actor. But my first question is reserved to Mr. B.R. Yavagal. Mr. Yavagal, good evening. I hope you can hear me.
Please tell me.
Right.
Good evening, good evening.
Mr. Yavagal, you are the chairman of the Karnataka Legislator Backward Classes and Minorities Welfare Committee. And you are an MLA of the Congress Party. So welcome back home.
Yes,
you went to New Zealand and Australia. Did you have a good time?
Yeah.
You enjoyed yourself?
Yes, we had a good time.
Did you enjoy yourself?
Yeah, to some extent, yes.
No, so...
Please tell me. Ask me the question.
No, Mr. Yavagal, you know, it's amazing, isn't it? You've learned so much. Yesterday, you said at your press conference that I have learnt about the glowworm caves. So, I'm sure that the glowworm caves of New Zealand are of some great help for the people of Karnataka. Can you tell me what you have learnt about glowworms? Yeah.
No, it is instantly we had gone there to see the caves and we saw it. Along with that,
no. So what is? Why did you go to the caves?
Who managed?
Why did you go to the caves? Glowworm caves?
Why not? We should not go. Why not? We should not go.
No, but what
we are MLAs means going elsewhere or going there.
No, how? Please tell me. I'm just curious. You also went to this Fiji village where people were cannibals till the arrival of missionaries.
Yes.
So why did you went there to learn about what? Why was it important for the people of Karnataka?
We have gone, Fiji. Yes.
Tell me.
Yes.
Tell me.
Allow me to explain.
Yes.
We had gone there. Yes. Our itinerary was to visit the Fiji. Along with that, we had in mind to see their lifestyle, the people, and their condition.
How does it help me? How does it? No. One second. How does it help me? How does it help the people of? I'm giving you an opportunity, Mr. Yavagal. Please tell the people of Karnataka how they will gain if Mr. Yavagal goes and finds out that people were cannibals in Fiji earlier at one time, or if Mr. Yavagal finds out about the glowworm caves.
If you allow me to explain, I will be able to do something. Clearly say something. Glowworm was one such minor. This one, did you
go to SeaWorld?
Cave and all.
Did you go to the SeaWorld? SeaWorld.
SeaWorld.
What is there in SeaWorld?
SeaWorld means that what SeaWorld that is there in this one. What is that?
Tell me, Gold Coast.
You meant to say that one?
In the Gold Coast, did you go to the SeaWorld?
Gold Coast, yes. Yes.
What is there in SeaWorld?
Yeah, we had gone there.
What happened?
We were free on that day. What we were free on that day?
Yes.
Along with our team, we had gone to see.
No, what was there in
Wonderla in Bangalore?
No, what is there in Free World? No, 1 second. What is there in SeaWorld?
Do you mean Free World was SeaWorld was having so many
fish,
so many
types of
entertainment. The thing was there.
What entertainment?
But we were
what kind of entertainment thing? No, I just want to know. I don't know. You see, Mr. 1 second, Mr. Yavagal, please. You see, we have a rule here on Newsa that you have to answer my question. I'm asking you that the SeaWorld, what is the kind of entertainment? I have not been there. Many of our people have not been there. So tell us what entertainment is provided at SeaWorld.
Free World, there was show of this tiger. There were big wheels and falling from all this one. Whoever wanted, but we did not. We just saw the tiger. This one.
You went to see the tiger.
People might
be there, and then there was the next day. Did you go to Movie World?
Yeah,
no. 1 second. Then did you go to Movie World?
We did. No, we didn't go.
You didn't go to Movie World? It was there in your itinerary. You didn't go to Movie World?
Didn't go. Yeah. No, nothing of that.
You didn't go to the Movie World.
Go,
so and then you went to you went to across a scenic route at Frank Joseph and Greymouth in Christchurch when you went sightseeing. How was that sightseeing? You enjoyed it?
You are trying to just to put everything in my mouth.
No, I'm talking about your program. You see, Mr. You see, I have your whole. No, one second. Now let me show. I have your whole program before me.
I agree. What you have.
Your whole program is there with me.
No, you might be having. You have already put it before the people, and it's already been discussed.
Are you now?
Allow me to explain the whole thing.
Are you now a little? I'm sorry to have to say this, but are you a little ashamed of yourself for having enjoyed like this at the expense of the people of your state?
No, please listen to me. Please listen to me.
Yes.
You may be sitting at Delhi and talking all these things. We are from a humble beginning and got elected. We go to the people and come back.
No, one second, Mr. Yavagal, your constituency, your constituency is called. No, Mr. Yavagal, don't get angry. I'm only. Mr. Yavagal, your constituency is Nargund. Now, I don't know. You look at Karnataka's economic and social indicators. Right? What you have to do is you have to look at what's happening in your own state, but you have just come back from a nice government-paid holiday. And you know, Mr. Yavagal, the people... you can't...
All the time... Does it... Yes, please tell me.
No, the point is, then you go and look at the Maori tribe, you go and understand the glowworm caves, you go to Movie World, you go to Sea World, you go to see tigers. Now, you know what? If you want to see tigers, what is educational about seeing tigers in Australia? You see, Mr. Yavagal, please, Mr. Yavagal, you made a joke of being a politician in this country. I'm sorry to have to say this. I want to get some reaction so you understand how people feel about this. So let's get Kavita Krishnan. I've got a caller from Bengaluru. I've opened up the phone calls today, and my first caller is Shomil from Bengaluru. He wants to say something to you. Mr. Yavagal, please understand. Please understand. Yeah? Mr. Yavagal. Ms. Shomil, are you there?
Yes, hi.
What would you say to Mr. Yavagal, who's just come back? He's had a good time on this visit.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, Mr. Yavagal just had a very nice trip of New Zealand. And I'm really happy he was allowed to spend our money and went out on a very nice trip. I just have a couple of questions. How much of an effort is put with respect to the money that is given from the fund, and how much of that?
No, one second. I've got a bad line. I think the question is about the money. Shomil, I'll try and connect you again in a while. Kavita, what do you think about Kavita Krishnan? What do you think about Mr. Yavagal, chairman of Karnataka Legislature Backward Classes and Minorities Welfare Committee's explanation for this wonderful holiday has come from?
Obviously, he has no explanation, and I think that the kind of, every government, we keep coming across this case of leaders, elected representatives. You see, if they go in their personal capacity, on their personal money, it's a different thing. But this is about public money. And I think that every penny of public money, every paisa of public money, that ought to be accounted. So I think that this kind of expenditure, this kind of lavish paid holidays at public expense, at a time when people are reeling under price rise, people are reeling under the very impact of the very policies that these politicians are imposing on the people, I think that's criminal. And I hope that there will be a chance later in this program to talk about the impact of that, the very concrete impact on, for instance, public spending of the Uttar Pradesh government and the impact that is happening on the people of Muzaffarnagar.
Mr. Hanumantappa, you're a senior Congress leader. No, 1 second. Well, Mr. Hanumantappa, you're there. You're sitting next to Mr. Yavagal. You're a senior Congress leader. Do you feel, Mr. Hanumantappa, that Mr. Yavagal and everybody who went with him on this trip, and Gaurav, I'm just coming to you in a minute. I have a few questions on UP. Mr. Hanumantappa, do you feel that Mr. Yavagal should pay back the money that was spent? You know, he obviously taxpayer money has been spent on his wonderful holiday. Do you feel now the Congress party would do better to ask Mr. Yavagal to return every rupee spent on his trip now from his own pocket and give it back?
It is left to his choice and his conscience.
Now, what do you think he should do?
He is,
what do you feel he should do? Do you feel he should return the money?
No, I will tell you one thing. I want to clarify one thing. See, this is a practice from past 60 years.
Yeah, but all right, that's many things.
The elected MLAs are
No, Mr. Yavagal. Mr. Yavagal, you see, Mr. Hanumanthappa, 1 minute. You see, for 60 years, if these people have lied, if people have lied, and let's get Mr. Yavagal also in the frame. If people have lied to enjoy themselves at taxpayer money cost, you see, the voters don't know that these politicians like Mr. Yavagal go and have a good time on a holiday.
Everything, Mr. Arnalji, either allow me to this one or please
I'm asking
any question.
I
have an explanation. If you allow me, I will do.
No, Mr. Yavagal, please. You see, I am asking Mr. Hanumanthappa. I know him for some time. He's a senior Congress leader. I am asking him whether you should give back the money.
You are trying to. Your trial. Why should I?
Why should you not give back the money? Because
this is not the new practice.
Because you, Mr. Yavagal, Mr. Yavagal, I'll tell you what, Mr. Yavagal, the number of people below the poverty line in your state is 23.6%. Okay, your state is 20th among 30 states in poverty ratios. So you, Mr. Yavagal, with great respect, you have no business going and spending that money, enjoying yourself, and then saying, I'm going on a study tour. And I think, Mr. Yavagal, with respect to you, your age and your experience, I have every right to ask Mr. Hanumanthappa, I'll ask him once more, that Mr. Hanumanthappa, do you think Mr. Yavagal, who's such a senior politician, should return the money? You know, it's the least he can do. And if Mr. Hanumanthappa, it should be an obvious answer for you. What's the problem? Let him return the money.
See, no, it is left to his choice. Whether he is willing to pay, he can pay. Because
but he doesn't, you know, why are you leaving the choice to him?
Why he has to return?
He's not willing to pay.
No.
He let others also repay it for the last 6-7 years who have gone.
All right, now I'm going to UP. Fine, it's okay. We are getting a lot of calls from Bangalore. Before I go across to UP, one caller from Bengaluru. Vidur Sharma from Bengaluru, and Gaurav, I'm coming to you after that. Yes, Vidur.
Arnab,
Yes. Go right ahead, I can hear you.
Okay, Arnab, I really feel that my intelligence is being challenged by the gentlemen sitting there and all those gentlemen who have gone abroad. My suggestion would have been that these guys should have either remained there or just to get a feel of how human suffering is caused on people, they should have also gone for a long tour to Afghanistan.
Well, Vidur,
and we would have allowed them to stay in Afghanistan as long as they want.
Well, Mr. Sharma,
I am ashamed that these legislators sitting in some other state also call upon the Chief of Army Staff to be present in front of them. I don't know. I'm really amazed at that.
Mr. Sharma, I thank you for your call. Mr. Yavagal, Mr. Hanumanthappa, don't go away. Gaurav Bhatia and Mahesh Bhatt, let's get you into the debate. And Anant Gadgil and Dilip Tahil as well. Sorry for the delay. Gaurav, I am told that one star was paid 3 crore rupees. Another star was paid 1 crore rupees. You know,
incorrect.
Another star was paid 25 lakh and other Bollywood actors were paid 50 lakh. I then calculated how much money it costs to get a private jet. You see, we made some calculations. So going by the round trip usage, we say it takes 18 lakhs for a private jet, approximately to go from Mumbai to Delhi, right? They didn't come for free, right? And then there is accommodation, there is the entourage, there's the sound system, there's the event management. And these stars were so happy. You know, one of these stars told us it was like a 5-star experience for him. Quite an expensive 5-star experience, right?
Arnab, I think the most important point here would be whether public funds out of the government exchequer were used or misused. Now, I would say this with all authority at my command.
The question is, where did the money come from?
Let me. I want to answer your question. I want to answer your question. The money came from the Mela committee.
And where did the Mela committee get the money from?
The government's money. The government.
No, where did the Mela committee get the money from?
That is the most important part. Let me just make you more informed, Arnab. Give me a chance.
Gaurav, the Mela committee must be getting money from somewhere, no? Where is the Mela committee getting money from?
Mela committee?
Yeah.
Mela committee has prominent people, local people.
Okay.
Those
so
people contribute to these
they are
funds.
getting sponsors.
And this has been going on for years.
They are getting don't tell me about what's going on. You're not talking about the Indus Valley civilization here, saying that this is part of our history. One second, please. Where is the money?
The government's money is being misused or not.